We never know what tomorrow holds. Natural disasters, power outages, unforeseen events, these occurrences can disrupt our lives in an instant, leaving us vulnerable and unprepared. The world is unpredictable, and while we can't control the forces of nature, we can control how we respond to them. These can happen anytime, anywhere. Being prepared is crucial. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a plan in place. Whether it's a storm, an earthquake, or a flood, having a strategy can make all the difference. It's not about living in fear, it's about taking control. Preparation empowers us, turning anxiety into action. By taking steps to safeguard our homes and families, we transform uncertainty into confidence. Building a survival shelter in your home is a smart step towards safety and peace of mind. This dedicated space can provide refuge during emergencies, ensuring you have the essentials to weather any storm. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Take action now. Equip your shelter with food, water, medical supplies, and other necessities. Regularly check and update your emergency kit to keep it ready for any situation. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones could depend on it. In times of crisis, being prepared can mean the difference between chaos and calm. Let's explore how to create a haven within your own four walls. Together, we can build a space that offers security, comfort, and peace of mind no matter what the future holds. Think of your home as your first line of defense. It's where you feel safe, secure, and protected from the outside world. But what happens when the unexpected occurs? When nature unleashes its fury, your home becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes your sanctuary. But what happens when disaster strikes? A storm rages outside, the power goes out, the winds howl, and the rain pours down in torrents. In these moments, your home must stand strong, providing a shield against the chaos outside. You need a safe haven, a place where you and your loved ones can gather, feeling secure and protected. This is where the concept of a survival shelter comes into play. It's not just about having a roof over your head, it's about having a fortified space designed to withstand the worst. This is where a survival shelter comes in. Equipped with essential supplies and built to endure extreme conditions, a survival shelter can be a lifesaver. It provides protection from the elements, ensuring that you have a safe place to retreat to when the outside world becomes too dangerous. It provides protection from the elements. Whether it's a hurricane, tornado, or any other natural disaster, a well-prepared shelter can make all the difference. It offers a secure space during an emergency, giving you peace of mind knowing that you have a plan in place. It offers a secure space during an emergency. Stocked with food, water, and other necessities, a survival shelter ensures that you can weather the storm no matter how long it lasts. It can be a beacon of hope in a challenging situation, providing comfort and security when you need it most. It can be a beacon of hope in a challenging situation. Imagine the relief of knowing that you have a safe place to go, a place where you can wait out the storm with your family, feeling protected and secure. This peace of mind is invaluable. Don't wait for disaster to strike before you realize its importance. Take the time now to prepare to ensure that your home is not just a place to live, but a true sanctuary. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones depend on it. Creating a survival shelter doesn't have to be complicated. Look around your home. You likely have everything you need. A sturdy table can be your base. Use blankets, thick curtains, or even a mattress for cover. Secure them with duct tape, rope, or bungee cords. Make sure you have enough space to lie down comfortably. Remember, simplicity and resourcefulness are key. Section 4. Key features of your Fortress Protection Supplies communication. A good survival shelter is about more than just walls and a roof. You need essential supplies. Water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, and a flashlight are crucial. A battery-powered radio can keep you informed. Store these items in waterproof containers. Keep them easily accessible inside your shelter. Section 5. Be prepared, not scared. The importance of planning. Remember, being prepared is not about being paranoid. It's about being responsible. It's about taking proactive steps to ensure the safety and well-being of yourself and your loved ones. When you have a plan in place, you can face emergencies with confidence and clarity. It's about taking control of your destiny. By planning ahead, you can mitigate the chaos and uncertainty that often accompany emergencies. You can make informed decisions quickly and effectively. By building a survival shelter, you're not just creating a physical space. You're creating a sanctuary, a place where you and your family can feel safe and secure no matter what happens outside. You're building peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan and a safe space can significantly reduce stress and anxiety during an emergency. It allows you to focus on what truly matters, keeping your loved ones safe. You're equipping yourself to face the unknown. Emergencies are unpredictable, but with the right preparation, you can handle whatever comes your way. Practicing drills and reviewing your plans regularly ensures that everyone knows what to do when the time comes, and that's the most valuable tool you can have in any situation. Be prepared, not scared. With preparation, you transform fear into confidence and uncertainty into security. So take the time to plan, prepare, and protect. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.